Virusi vyansi. Welcome to Grace Care Mission. Thank you all for being here. For my tiny subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from my village home, guys. Here we are exploring the village. Hope you are enjoying the video. Welcome, like the video, share. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Thank you so much. Pale juu. Sisi tuliingia mpaka huko ndani. Lakini kuna Teresa. Sinau.
So guys, we are done hiking. It was kind of very good exercise. My knees are hurting right now. You can see, I'm so tired right now, guys. I'm wearing an oversized shoe, by the way. But guys, this was an amazing walk, and I'm so happy that I was able to do this in Grace Village.
So, is it your first time to see the waterfall?
No, I've seen many waterfalls, but this is the most beautiful waterfall ever.
Oh,
Yeah.
so welcome to my village. I know next time don't go that far, go finish even 2 weeks and come back. So we are going home. Yeah, it's like doing an exercise. You are doing like an exercise, but when you go home you have to shower and then eat and rest. Yeah, that's very nice.
Actually, you did a video here, right?
Yeah, I did a video here. There you can.
Come for a picnic.
Yeah, here when you are walking the nature, the fresh of the waterfall. So guys, we are going home, and this is the water here.
And people come to shower in this place.
Even people were showering over there. Yeah, free water, running free water. Yeah, so we are going home. She's running. So guys, we are going home, and so if you are outside there, and I am waiting my brother there. Say hello to my viewers. Watu wamechoka. So we are going home, guys. Hope you are enjoying this video here. I think the weather is changing, like, yeah. If you want to wash some clothes, you can wash here. This is where you wash clothes. Blankets, big blankets, you can wash over here. Free water. Yeah. So guys, that's our small bridge, and that's how you have to move slowly. You have to be careful, guys, as you are moving. So this is the village, how it looks here. Hope you are enjoying the video, guys. talking live from my village, but at the interior part of it, guys. So I'm really happy, and mostly when you are in the village, expect like the rain is going to come like now, guys. Yeah. So guys, so here at the village, this is how we collect firewood. We are from the waterfall, as from the start of the video. And usually here in the village, when you see firewood, and I am a smoker dealer, like firewood, like fire, like smoke. So you see, like firewood, like smoke, like fire. This is the start from scratch until you bring the food on the table, guys. So this is it. Actually, and my friend is over there. Anapanda mlima. So when you have like this one here, you put on the fire so quickly, and this is how we do it, guys. If you are in the village, expect to see a lot of things like collecting firewood and going to the river to collect some water, to fetch some water. And that's how it looks, working hard always from the village, guys. You go with this one here, you're gonna start cooking in a quicker way, because when you go into the house, you start from scratch where you having firewood. And this is how it looks here, guys. We have some stones. This is money, but no one buys, because a lot of people have some what? They have a lot of stones and they cannot deal with this. They are scattered like that. And no one can buy this, because transportation from here to the main road is not that easy. Hope you are enjoying the video, guys. Like the video, share. I know you have amazing friends from outside there. Continue watching until the end. Talking now from the village, guys. Say hello, there is someone behind us. Say hello, what's your name?
My name is Tanya.
Mnaenda lunch? Oh, where are you going to school? Oh, so you are in grade
6.
Oh, he's on grade 6. He's going to junior secondary next year. So we are at your place here. Tunakuja kuchukua video kidogo. Tumetoka huko Nyami.
Waterfall.
Tumekuja kuangalia waterfall. So guys, I don't know why people are not collecting this firewood. As you can see, they are not liking firewood.
Kitu fani, watu wakiona mgeni wa Mombasa pesa ama kitu wanakuangalia tu hivi.
Hapa lazima
So guys, this is how we tie the goats, but no one will touch them. Hi baby goat. Hi baby goat. Another baby goat. Hello baby goat. Hapana we. Hello baby goat. Atakwambiaje? Hiyo mbuzi nimekuachia, leta pesa. So guys, here you can see, I don't know why are those bottles there, but then I think it is this is fertilizer. Is it fertilizer? Bottles. See guys, this is corn. I don't know why they had put all these bottles there. I don't know whether it is all it is catching the rats. So guys, drop a comment if you've already seen this, because this is my first time seeing these things here. The bottles, that's dug inside the corn. And we are from over there, and there is a school here, a high school guys. And here, lovely houses as you can see guys.